right beneath my head. Rose up the next day, grabbed that pistol tight, took another hit of cocaine and bolted into the night. Made a decent run but couldn't outpace fate. They caught up with Willie Lee down by the Mexican gate. Laid up in a hideout, riding out the high. In walked the lawman with a cold and knowing eye. Said, Willie Lee, your alias won't hold water here. You're the strung out killer and your reckoning is near. Said, yes sir, Willie Lee is the name I own. Read me out that warrant, I'll face what I've sown. Shot her down because she dealt me wrong. Thought I was the only man, she had 5 all along. I was dressed head to toe in black, thrown aboard a train and carried right on back. No soul came forward, no one made my bail. They dumped my worn out body in the county jail. Next morning round about 9:30, watched the sheriff making his way down the line. He hacked and cleared his throat and said without a pause, get moving, you strung out fool, into the court of law. Stood before that courtroom, the trial underway. 12 men in the jury box to weigh what I should pay. Just before they filed out to decide my name, I caught the old judge shifting and I knew the game. Shame. First degree, they read it loud and plain. I hollered out to heaven, begging mercy for my pain. Judge just smiled and lifted up his pen. 99 long years in the Folsom pen. 99 years beneath that heavy stone. All because I shot that woman down and left her cold and gone. So gather round and take these words to heart. Stay clear of whiskey, let the cold